Good morning, welcome to Be Inspired. You are in the best part of educational learning channel, Be Inspired. In this, I created so many educational videos based on the subject maths. Along with the educational videos, I'm creating some puzzles, and along with the puzzles, you have fast maths calculation tips. By using those fast maths calculation tips, you can easily score 100 out of 100 marks in your maths subject. So please share, like, subscribe my channel. Hi students, welcome to maths class. So today we are going to start a new topic called patterns in whole numbers. The topic name is patterns in whole numbers. Actually, patterns we will see how we will get the different manner it is going to be arranged, and patterns in numbers also we saw in the previous classes. In your 5th class, like that we will see. And clouds, different kinds of patterns you can able to see in your dresses. Different kinds of patterns you are going to see, like on cloths, on floors, patterns of tiles, like all these things we see. But whereas in whole numbers you are going to see the patterns. So what are the patterns? And let's see without getting late. What they are saying to us: we shall try to arrange numbers in elementary shapes made up of dots. The shapes we take are: one, a line; second one is rectangle; third one square; and fourth one triangle. So they are taking elementary shapes which are going to prepare with the help of dots. So they take, what are the 4 different kinds of shapes they took? That is line, rectangle, square and triangle. Every number should be arranged in one of these shapes. No other shape is allowed. So you are going to be allowed to draw only those shapes. So every number is going to be arranged. We all know that every number can be arranged as a line. As many dots as you can give, you will get a line automatically, but for one dot we will not get a line. That is the main thing. So the number 2, number 3, like this we can go on like this. So some numbers can be shown also as rectangles. So rectangle will have opposite sides, so that is the reason it should come like this. 2 rows, and these are 2 rows, and these are 1, 2, 3 columns. And some numbers like 4 or 9 can also be arranged as squares. Coming to the triangles, with the help of 3 dots, with the help of 6 dots, you are going to prepare a triangle. Note that triangle should have its 2 sides equal. The number of dots in the rows starting from the bottom row should be like 4, 3, 2, 1. The top row should always have 1 dot. What they are saying, bottom row you have to start with 4, 3, 2, like that. But whereas the top row should always contain only 1 dot. It should not contain more than that. And that too, they are saying that the 2 sides should be equal. Means isosceles triangle you are going to select. Now complete the table. 1 is a special number. Of course, we all know that. So for the lines, you are going to write all these dots will combine yes for the lines. And coming to the rectangles, with 5 dots you will not get a rectangle, whereas with the help of 6 dots you will get a rectangle. And 7 dots rectangle will not come. Simple, just even number. See, if you observe properly here, for 2 dots it will not come. 4 is an even number, it will come. 6 is an even number. 8 is an even number. 10 is an even number. 12 is an even number. So for those we will get rectangles. And coming to the squares, where the perfect square means 2 2s are 4. And again for 9 you will get a square. And again for 16 you will get a square, because 4 4s are 16. Now coming to triangles, this one we have to check. For 3 dots you will get a triangle. For 6 dots also you will get a triangle. Yes. And then when again you will get a triangle, then again you will get a triangle for 10, 15, next triangle number will be. So like that you should check. And he said very clearly that the down should be more numbers and up you will get only 1 dot. That is the rule of triangle. So complete the table he asked you to write. So will you able to write here? We'll see. So here we will write answers for this. Of course, we all know that for all the numbers we will get a line. So that is the reason we will write yes, 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 yes. And whereas rectangles, just now we have for 6 dots you will get rectangle. For 7 dots you will not get. 8 dots again you will get. For 9 you will not. Whereas for 10 dots you will get. And coming to the square, for 6 you will not get a square, for 7 also, for 8 also, whereas for 9 dots you will get a square. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, because for square we will have to get all sides equal, so that is the reason. And if you will go for 10, you can arrange like this, 1 2 3 4 5, and it will come, you will get opposite sides, so it is to become rectangle, not square, so that is the reason no. And coming to the triangle, we got already for 3 dots, 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this dot I'll remove, 6. So in this way you will get a triangle over here, so that is the reason for 6 we will write S. And whereas the other number, for 7 dots you can't get a triangle, and for 8 dots also you will not get a triangle, and for 9 dots 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, but whereas you will not get a triangle over here because this dot is missing. So whereas for 10 dots we will get a triangle, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 9, up will come one more, so like that you'll get. And for 11 dots we'll get, of course we know this, for line will come for all the numbers, whereas rectangle will come only for the even numbers, and square will come only for the square numbers, and this triangle also will not come for this. So that's what he just, so simple thing, just simple logic, which numbers, for which numbers you'll get a square, for which numbers you'll get a rectangle, that's we'll see. That's what they are saying, patterns in whole numbers. Which numbers can be shown only as a line? Of course we all know that which numbers, by seeing that you can write down this. Write down the first 7 numbers that can be arranged as triangles. First 7 numbers, okay. So 3, 6, 10. Some numbers can be shown by 2 rectangles. For example, give at least 5 other such examples. What they are asking, okay, this one, which can be shown as rectangles, which can be shown as squares, and which can be shown as a line, that we just now we discussed. So 7 numbers that can be arranged as triangles. So 3, 6, nothing but you have to write a triangular numbers. 3, 6, after you'll get 10, 15. Okay, I'll explain you what is the triangular number. So like this we can draw triangles with the help of dots. So with 1 dot we will not get, with this 3 dots we'll get a triangle, and this is the second triangle with the 6 dots, and this is the third triangle with 10 dots, and next is with 15 dots, and then with 21 dots. See, if you see down inside also you are going to get a triangle. So like this you are going to draw. And what is the question he asked is, write down first 7 numbers that can be arranged as triangles. So you are going to arrange all the triangles now. Triangular numbers are, by seeing this you can say easily, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, like that you should go on. And these are the first 10 triangular numbers, 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28, 36, 45, like this you'll get. And this is the sequence of the triangular numbers. And what is the next question he is asking you? Some numbers can be shown by 2 rectangles. For example, 12. For example, 12 you can show like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the same way we can show even 260 also. So like that at least 5 such other examples he is asking. So by using this you are going to show some more thing like this for them. Okay, we will show with this 5 such examples he asked. So we will see for rectangles. For example, 6 is there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is 2 3s are 6, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 also, 3 2s are 6. And next is 12, he already given to us, so I'm going for 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. or 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, like this. 2 rows 5 columns, or 5 rows 2 columns. And 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, or 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 2 rows 4 columns, or 4 rows 2 columns. And next is 16. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. The same way we will go here also, means 2 rows 8 columns. And here I'll come 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, means 4 rows 4 columns. And he has 5 examples, we just given 4, and last one more is 25. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, sorry, like this. 5 5s are 25. Okay, 25 we can't give now. Instead of going to a big number, we will just select a smaller one, that is 15 we will select. Like 3 rows and 5 columns, or 5 rows and 3 columns. So in this way you can show your rectangular dots. That's what he asked the question. I hope you all understand today's class. If you want to prevent coronavirus, just simple. You have to follow the steps. Wash your hands thoroughly, and wash your hands as often as you can, and cover your face with the mask while going outside. Just clean each and everything before you are going to use. Avoid crowded places. Don't touch your skin. Don't touch your skin, like your face, things like eyes, mouth and nose. Cook properly. Cook and eat the thorough food. Thank you, Corona Warriors, for your support. Thank you for watching.